Ever wondered how you could make your laundry care routine more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly? Well, it's more important than you may think. Efficient laundry care not only helps you save money, but it also goes a long way in reducing our collective environmental footprint. By adopting a few simple austerity measures, you can transform your laundry routine into a greener, more wallet-friendly task. Now that we understand why efficient laundry care matters, let's delve into how to achieve it. Doing the laundry is not just about tossing clothes into the machine. It involves a few more steps to ensure cleanliness and longevity of your clothes. First, always sort your clothes. Separating light and dark colors helps to maintain their vibrancy. Delicate fabrics and heavy-duty items should also be washed separately. Now let's talk about fabric care labels. These small tags on your clothes aren't there for decoration. They contain valuable information about how to properly care for your garment. Is it machine washable? Can it be ironed? Understanding these symbols can save your favorite shirt from an untimely demise. Choosing the right detergent is another essential step. Not all detergents are created equal. Some are more suited for certain types of fabrics and stains. And did you know that there are environmentally friendly detergents available? These products are designed to deliver excellent cleaning results while minimizing their impact on the environment. Choosing the right detergent isn't just good for your clothes, it's also a step towards reducing your ecological footprint. Your washing machine can be your best friend or your worst enemy, depending on how you use it. Let's start with the different washing programs. Each program is designed for a specific type of fabric or cleaning need. Delicate fabrics like silk and wool require gentle cycles, while heavily soiled items might need a more vigorous wash. By choosing the right program, you're ensuring that your clothes are cleaned effectively without unnecessary wear and tear. Now on to loading the washing machine correctly. Avoid overloading the machine. Clothes need room to move around freely in the drum for effective cleaning. Also, balance your load. Mix large items with small ones to allow for even distribution and effective spinning. Cold water cycles are another efficient washing method to consider. Not only does it save energy, but it's also gentle on your clothes. Most detergents these days are designed to work well in cold water, so you won't have to compromise on cleanliness. And then there's the age-old debate, hand wash versus machine wash. While hand washing can be gentler on certain fabrics, it is often more time and water-consuming. A well-optimized machine wash can save you both time and resources. In terms of energy and water savings, consider washing full loads and using the eco mode if your machine has one. These simple steps can significantly reduce your machine's consumption and your utility bill. Remember, the key to efficient washing is not just about how much you wash, but how you wash. A well-maintained washing machine is the cornerstone of efficient laundry care. Regular cleaning and maintenance not only increase the longevity of your machine, but they also maximize its efficiency. Imagine the satisfaction of having a machine that works as good as new, even after several years of use. Just as you'd remove stains from your clothes, it's essential to clean your washing machine regularly. This helps to prevent the buildup of dirt, grime, and detergent residue, ensuring your clothes come out cleaner every time. And let's not forget about the drying process. By extracting as much water as possible during the spin cycle, you can significantly reduce drying time. This not only saves energy, but also extends the life of your clothes by reducing wear and tear. Remember, a little bit of care can go a long way. With regular care and maintenance, your washing machine can serve you efficiently for years to come. Now that we've covered the basics of efficient laundry care, let's address some common questions you might have. How often should you clean your washing machine? Ideally, once a month. This helps rid the machine of detergent residue and keeps it running efficiently. Can all clothes be washed at 30 degrees? Most clothes can, and yes, this does save energy. As for reducing your dryer's energy consumption, consider air drying clothes when possible and keeping the dryer's lint filter clean. When it comes to stain removal, you might be surprised to learn that home remedies like baking soda, vinegar, and even dish soap can be incredibly effective. And finally, are eco-friendly detergents as effective as traditional ones? Absolutely. They can clean just as well without the harsh chemicals. Efficient laundry care is not just about saving costs. It's about making a positive impact on the environment too.